Apples enter the grading system through the conveyor belt and are accurately sorted according to size, with a processing capacity of about 16,000 PCS or H. The equipment has a compact structure and simple operation. It is suitable for orchards, small processing plants, or cooperatives to improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. Cleaning and air drying systems can be added as needed to ensure the cleanliness of the fruit surface. Apples enter the weighing system through the conveyor belt. The equipment accurately measures the weight and automatically grades according to the set specifications. The processing capacity of each channel is about 25,000 PCS or H. This model is suitable for medium-sized processing enterprises to ensure uniform apple specifications and improve market competitiveness. The equipment operates stably and can adjust the sorting level according to demand to adapt to different market needs. The entire line includes cleaning, polishing, optical sorting, electronic weighing, and automatic packaging systems. The processing capacity can be customized according to customer needs. It can usually process 8 tons or more of apples per hour. The optical sorting system can identify parameters such as apple color, size, defects, etc., to ensure that each apple meets market requirements. This solution is suitable for large-scale fruit and vegetable processing plants, greatly improving production efficiency, reducing manual intervention, and realizing intelligent and high-precision sorting.